Now let's talk a little bit about the benefits and the how-tos of weight training. Again, weight training is so important for us. Weight training typically, historically, was looked at as sort of like secondary to cardiovascular or aerobic training. We thought for so long as exercise scientists, going back to even the 50s, it's been a very long time now, 50, 60 years, we really thought cardiovascular or aerobic training was the key to health, the key to fitness, the key to a longer life. But actually what we've now shown over the I say we as the larger body of scientists, what we've now shown over the last 20 or 30 years is that weight training is so important, and weight training actually gives us benefits that even cardiovascular or aerobic training was thought to only do at one time. So the benefit is that you get stronger, you get more muscle mass, you have a better, more efficient fueling capacity for the body. You're able to give that energy you need, even if you're not thinking in terms of competing in an activity or a sport, for example, becoming somebody competitive in bodybuilding or triathlons or anything like that. Even if you're not thinking about your fitness or your activity level to that degree, nonetheless, you want to have muscles that are capable of being functional. The last thing that we want to do, and I know you're very young at this point in life, but as you go through your life and you think about your fitness and how that relates to your health, if for no other reason you want to have muscle mass that keeps you functional, keeps you healthy, and keeps you well. So as we go through some of these other objectives in this course, we'll talk about how we do specific movements, how we do specific weight training movements to make each muscle group in the body strong as possible, as effective as possible, and as functional as possible. So now let's go on over to the gym. We'll actually get into each particular muscle group. We'll show some activities and exercises for how we stimulate these muscles and how we make them stronger and more efficient.